Hey, pencil? Notice anything different about your shrimp? I've replaced it with a number 2 test standard mechanical pencil with advanced shrimp. Hola, cola? What do you got there? Lunch Pepsi. Look again. I've replaced it with a vegan shrimp. I know all about your grandma. Hey, pizza? Notice anything different about your walk home? Faggot, 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 faggot. Hey, little chef. Notice anything different? I've replaced it with a number 2 test standard pizza from your favorite Ticonderoga test standard number 2 pizza place with advanced grip leading directly to your house. Shrimp